Hello, this is Rick Powers coming to you from my home office for Western Technical College. And this is the video introduction for descriptive statistics graphing for intro stat. So the next set of topics that we're dealing with here is very important, description. After we measure and collect data, then we need to have some way to organize it properly and then present it in such a way that's meaningful. And we can understand the behavior of the data based on what a graph looks like. We want to understand relationships among these numbers, which are changing. And it's really one of the most important things in statistics, graphing, knowing what things look like. And you really can't get that from certainly just looking at the numbers themselves or from doing any kind of calculation. It's really important to be able to interpret the relationships of these numbers by looking at a graph of some kind. And then to use the correct kind of graph for different types of data. And that's something that statisticians have developed throughout history. What kinds of graph make the most sense for different types of data? And there is a lot of computer software that's available to make this whole process a lot easier and to make it a lot more accurate. Software tools can really do a lot of the work for you, make it easier to get things done faster. And then I will be making another video about using our tools. Now, it's unfortunate that our textbook isn't necessarily up to date with all of the software things. And so you will see some software instructions in our textbook, but mainly, hopefully I'll have these videos out here so you can see the processes, and we'll certainly be going over them during class time also. Microsoft Excel is a good option for some things, but not for everything. Excel doesn't have all of the different capabilities to create the graphs that we're going to be learning about. There is another website called Salt, and I'll be giving you instructions about that. And Salt specifically is connected to some of the data that's in your homework problem. So you have the homework problem, and then it has a button that says use Salt, and the data goes directly there. So we'll be talking about that also. Now, we also have a practice exam and a mastery exam that are coming up here. And we'll be going over those during class time. And certainly, if you have any questions about that, please let me know. For the mastery exam, you will need to actually send your work to me so I can see how you got your answers. And yeah, we'll be going over things in class. I'll be posting additional videos, and with all that, please feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and best wishes for the rest of this week.